Let's do a sky replacement. First, you need to choose an image. One of your own, one that has sky, one that has a sky you want to change. This is a pretty complex image with all those little branches. And it's amazing how well this sky select works. So how it works is we go up to the menu and we go to select. And we come down here to where it says sky. And it's going to do its magic. Look at that. It made a selection. After we make the selection, we go over to edit and we scroll down to where it says sky replacement. And now we can come in here, pull that over there. It just dropped in a sky. You can click here and you have a variety of different skies you can choose. And let's just hold on to that one for a second and come over to the menu here. You can alter the brightness. So you have some choices in here too. The temperature, whether we make it bluer or more yellow. And it guides us by the color there. In the scale, so we can change the look of it here. Okay, I kind of liked it smaller like that. So there's a lot of control there. Let's go back up here one more time. And we scroll down. You can see there's all sorts of things. There's different folders in here so that your folders might be closed up when you come in. Specular and sunsets. Let's see what some of the sunsets look like. I was kind of liking some of these. Let's see how that one looks. You know, I don't like this one. The look of my image is more yellow. It's a warmer image for the time of day, and this just seems to contrast that. So I'm going to go back up here. Let's see what this one looks like. Looks a little better, but I'm still not loving it. This one was the one that I chose, I believe I chose initially, and I'm going to stick with that one because I like the warmth of the building. And you can change the brightness a little bit if you choose to. I'm going to. A few other things I want to point out in here is that when we're in this dialog box, there's one of these little cogs up here. And if we click on that, it's a drop-down menu. And you can delete some of these skies, you can rename the skies, you can get more skies, you can create your own group. And that's pretty nifty. When you do get more skies, you can import images, import presets, download free skies. So you could import your own sky right here. It needs to be a JPEG or a PNG file, not a Photoshop document, not a RAW file, but a JPEG. And make it big so that you have room to work with it. So just know that that is available. You can add your own skies. Have fun with that. And then when we get to the output, we want to output to new layers. Okay, so we'll hit OK. And check it out. We've got our foreground adjustment. You can click on these and see what they do. A mask. Another, image, mask to make that sky. A sky brightness. Normally I tell you guys not to use brightness adjustments, but here in Photoshop, behind the scenes, they're using it because they dial it in. We're going to hit Command D to get rid of the selection. And there's our sky. It looks pretty darn good. You can always go in and finesse things by altering the masks. So they're fully editable as well. So give it a try. Have some fun. If it comes up with a warning, just hit OK and just start it again. Mine came up with a warning once while I was practicing. And I just hit OK and tried it again. So go do some sky replacements and submit your favorite one. And I'm always available if you have questions.